We gather in the spirit of unity and share dedication to help as we participated in the Run for Wellness, and this event is a tribute to the everyday heroes among us, our doctors, our nurses, medical staff, and all healthcare workers whose tireless efforts and compassionate care help keep our community safe and healthy, especially during difficult times.
They say that health is wealth, but today we are here to honor the individuals who manage the wealth for us every day. We gather under the banner, Health Workers, the Heart of Health.
This event actually is more than just a run. Halang nga po nga din siya pinagtaray, pinagsala, pinagsumpa, and then siya hawak mo ang beat. It is a celebration of strength.
Let this occasion inspire us to prioritize our health, support our frontliners, and nurture a community where wellness is a collective goal.
In the quiet hours of night and the busiest hours of the day, you are the ones who keep the pulse of our community steady. You are the hands that heal, the voices that comfort, and the spirits that never tire.